Yeah, I got the shot. And it is my duty in a holiday to make chai.
You're fired. You didn't make sense.
I will make chai today. Are we giving the intro, Nasha, together? I don't know when you're gonna do that, but soon, alright? What's up, guys? Kaise ho? Eleanor, hope everyone is doing great. Today, Naisha is going for a trip. Naisha is going for a Goa trip. Are you happy? Oh my god, she runs like crazy in the airport. No running today, okay? No running. Wait. That's the amount of luggage we put. I had to remove whatever you call this. Oh, one more bag?
Yeah, this one.
Okay, और एक bag है. A pram, one bag, mom bag, dad bag, Pooja's bag, Naisha's bag, and that's my bag. Very good luggage space. Naisha, you're missing the big camera? You're missing it? I don't know about Naisha, but I'm definitely missing my huge camera. I don't know when they're gonna give it. So I have to live with this camera, iPhone camera, for the next 3-4 days. I know you people will like this iPhone quality, video quality, but I have to plug in a mic every time I want to vlog, and if you want good audio quality. If I put an external mic to this, I have to use not the native camera app, but I have to use a separate app for it. And then you go there and then you have to check for external mic settings. Very complicated.
ABGT is going to be so happy. Woo! Yeah.
Are you going to Goa, no? Goan
She
vibes.
likes it. She's got our taste. She loves ABGT.
Naisha, who is this? Looks like you, right? Who is this? Who is this?
No.
That's me. Almost same. No? Look at the similarities. Correct? Correct, Naisha? Correct? No? No? No?
She's blushing, Shuki. Naishu?
Camera देख के blushing?
Blushing? Who she by?
No.
Everything is no.
Actually, first proper family trip we're doing. I mean, me and Pooja went to Bangalore recently, but me, mom, dad, Pooja, and Naisha is the first time ever.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Okay, just reached the airport. Park my car here. 2 Seltos, same color. This is the reason you have a lot of sales for Seltos. Everywhere you see there are a lot of Seltos.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Until you see her, you'll agree. Zoom, 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 zoom. A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
మమ్మీ నేను కడుపులో ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏమన్నా తుఫాన్ ఏమన్నా మింగావా? నేను ఎక్కడ పోతే అక్కడ తుఫాన్ వస్తున్నా ఢిల్లీ నుంచి వస్తుంది వాన.
స్పాట్ లో మొత్తము 45-50 డిగ్రీ సెంటిగ్రేడ్ ఉంటాం. అందుకనే ఇప్పుడు నీకు శాంతిస్తున్నాడు దేవుడు వచ్చి.
ఎక్కడ పోతే అక్కడ తుఫాన్. రైన్ రోడ్. This is January 2nd week. No, first week. So actually I came here in monsoon, August.
This is winter
It
season.
never rained that time also. Bike pe aaya na August mein. It didn't rain this much. It didn't rain at all.
Whenever you drive a car, there is a traffic jam. Whenever you are on tour, there is cyclone.
Correct. 100%. And the rain god. Huh?
After Lord Krishna, you were born like that next.
Why?
Whenever you're born, some natural calamity will
So great people are born with natural calamities. Huh?
Till you see her, you'll agree.
same it.
Finally, after 1 hour, we came to the room and look at Naisha.
Atish,
He wants dance. He wants TV.
अभी भी तुम लोगों के साथ सिर्फ चाले ही चल रही हो.
But this entire journey, she did not puke. Both of them did not puke.
see, that's fine now.
You're fine. You're better. Chalo, Naisha, let's go. Dance later. Put the phone back. Put the phone back.
Put it back. ऐसे बेटा, ऐसे. ऐसे.
You want mama? You don't want papa? You want only mama?
But she's still been a good kid. I'm very happy.
घर से Hyderabad airport is almost 1 hour 20 minutes. Flight was another
She's clapping for
1 hour
herself.
20 minutes. Goa airport se to the hotel another 1 hour. 1 hour 20 minutes. She took a lot of stress. Everything is okay. She didn't puke today. Actually, it's been almost like 10 days since I've seen her because I went for the Uttarakhand trip.
Mom? Where's
She's grown. Like in 10 days, there's a lot of difference when I've seen her. You didn't let mama and papa sleep all night. Poor baby, she was having a fever, mild fever. Now she's fine. We gave her Crocin. Like literally early in the morning, 4:30, 4 a.m. Pooja slept. Till then, Jagran. Chore. Okay, started. Hey, what is this? What is this? What is this? Come on, get down. Get down.
I got gas. A, B, C, D.
Where are we going? We're going to the beach. Nicest first time experience to the beach. You know what is a beach? Naisha, what is that? What is it?
See? Water.
Beach.
Wow, Naishu, water. Did you see that?
A, B, C, D.
She is more concerned about the dog.
Don't you like it? Woo! Naishu, water. Wow. Wow, water.
One,
Two.
two.
And
No.
no, it's not come and flop. Water. 1, 2, and 3. Woo!
Everyone is having juice and stuff. I'm having Diet Coke. Even Naisha is having pineapple juice, है ना?
Yes. You like it? Again, you want?
You want green tea? You want green, blue, orange, pink, all colors. Red bhi hai. What tea do you want? Only today I can give you all these colors. Come here, Naishu. Give here. You want to wear? Show. Oh, Naishu. Awesome. Nice. Very nice. ऐसा करो. What is that? Yeah. Very good, Naishu. One big achievement. Second thing you have to do after giving the milk, what is this called? Dakar. Basically burp. English means burp. You make her sit like this and... Okay, wait. These are my under specs. If you lose these, no, I can't see anything, dude. I'll put it for you. Wait. Oh. Chalo, let's click a thumbnail. ऐसे लगा? Let's go out. Come. बहुत हो गया room में. चलो. Very good. I like your enthusiasm. I like your enthusiasm. Awesome. Awesome. So let's wear some shoes. Go out and rock. Okay. Oh, very good.
मम्मा बनाएगी.
What's up guys, कैसे हो? I hope everyone's doing great. Day 3 here in Goa. Same thing we did from morning. Chilling, eating, relaxing, sleeping. Nashu, let's go. Come. No. Let's go wake up Mama and Tata. This is our room. This is Mama Tata ka room. Mom and Dad ka room. That room. Knock. A lot of humidity here in Goa. We didn't expect this kind of weather. Wherever I'm going, like I told you, rain god I am. And it's I think around 30 degrees. Like crazy 30 degrees. Do you like the weather in Goa?
Yeah.
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 You were complaining about the weather?
Because I have a cold now, so I'm enjoying this.
Oh yeah.
Nice shoe. Say hi, baby. Hi. Hi, bolo.
Doing new tricks.
Hi, bolo.
New tricks.
Look at your face.
So humid. Very humid. I didn't expect this kind of weather. What the hell? Nisha? Okay, today is ladies' day out. Mom and Pooja are planning to shop. Yesterday also they shopped a little bit, but I think they're not satisfied. You guys know that girls are never satisfied.
We're girls, we never satisfied.
That's what I'm saying. Today is a Saturday here, so it is a little bit better. Yesterday the pura khali tha. Today at least we can see that Goa feels little bit lit up. Dad is walking Nisha. That was too big.
Hi, cutie.
This was a big.
It's a little big, yeah.
Little big. Either lose it. Nisha, you like it? You like it?
Yeah, it's nice.
You like it? No, it doesn't fit. Too loose.
You like it?
Okay, I think this is gonna be the last dinner here in Goa.
Yeah.
There's Dad ordering his food. Mom waiting to order. Nisha having her milk. Pooja under the mask all the time, 24/7.
Yes.
Even in the room, she doesn't open it. Actually, Dad is ordering food and we'll be going back home. We'll be going back to the hotel because he's not feeling well.
3 days I am suffering cold.
Only cold, not COVID.
No, only plain cold.
Because of Dad, even Pooja got it and even Mom got it and even Nisha got it. I'm the only one left.
Pooja, then mom.
Are you enjoying Goa? Are you getting bored? You bore kodutunda? Time pass aitunda
We
Goa?
are enjoying. We can enjoy another 1
We
week.
have the right spirit, so we still okay. We have the right.
Nee bore kodutunda enjoy chestunnava?
We are enjoying. I'm not feeling
She is not feeling bored, but I think because Dad is not feeling well, we're not going out much to explore and all that. I had to explore Goa like a lot. Last time also, like literally 3 or 4 months back, I came on the bike. So, are you feeling bored this
Never in
time?
Goa, you know me. We never get bored in Goa. Shiva and I can survive here.
Oh, yes, this is our pilgrimage.
Not a pilgrimage, but
Nisha is enjoying full on.
don't disturb her. She'll not have to do.
Oh yeah, she is enjoying full on. That is sand, beach and all.
I think Nisha enjoyed the most.
I'm just super happy finally today because I got my favorite food. Actually, Goa mein I get all my food because this is a place of grilled fish, grilled chicken, and I found my perfect dish here. What is it called? Baked fish. What about you?
I'm deciding.
And oh my god, I'm missing my camera so much. I just called the service center yesterday, Sony service center. They told me it will take another 2 to 3 days. That means tomorrow after I go back home also, I'm not gonna have my camera.